everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip hop dance online. All right, really quick, if you're someone struggling to learn hip hop dance, don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, it's time to make this year your year to learn how to dance. Let me coach you personally, and the link to apply to work with us is in the description box below. All right, let's get started. The format goes like this. I'll teach the step, break it down, and then we're gonna try it with music. And then at the very end, we'll put it together to do a fun pattern. All right, let's get started. The first step we're gonna learn is called the front step, and it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically you're alternating, bringing one foot at a time in front. We're gonna start with our right foot and then just stepping forward, we're gonna go right foot front and then back together, left foot front, back together, right foot front, back together, left foot front, back together. So you do that 4 times. So let's just try that a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To add a little bit more sauce to the step, you're gonna bring a little bit more weight to the front and lift the back heel. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me show you a side profile, what I mean by the back heel coming up. Every time you step forward, you lift up that back heel, the heel that stays under you, and then you bring it down. And then you do the same thing on the other side. So I'll keep this side profile and you can try it with me. We're gonna do it slow. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now a little bit faster. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now facing the front, let's face each other. Now when you're stepping forward, notice how that your weight is shifting to the front foot and it doesn't stay in the back, if that makes sense. You're bringing your weight forward, not keeping your weight back. So that's what we're gonna try. Let's do 2 8 counts of this front step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One thing I want to acknowledge, and this is for all the steps we're going to learn today, you want to relax your torso. So try not to keep everything too tight as you're doing the step. Over time, try to relax and let your upper body breathe so that you can look natural instead of stiff. So you don't want to have your armpits too close to you or your hands too close to you. You want to let them breathe. All right, let's try it one more time, thinking of that idea to let it breathe. 5, 6, last time, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music. Really quick, I put together a free masterclass guide on how to train like a professional dancer. If you want that guide, just comment the word masterclass in the comments and I'll send that to you. All right, let's get back to our other moves. Okay, the second step we're gonna learn is a back step, but with the variation of us turning to the side. And it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so breaking it down, using the lower body, you're turning and facing to the side. For us, we're gonna go to the right first. So face the right and then step back and then bring your feet together. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the left. Face the left, step back, and then face front, feet together. Let's do that right, left, right, left. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to keep your weight under you this time instead of bringing your weight into the back, okay? So you don't want to bring your weight to the back. You want to keep your weight under you, and it's just your leg extending and gesturing back. So let's try that, and let's actually do 4. So we're going to go step, 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 step. So 5, 6, and here we go. We're stepping out, out, out. Relax the torso, relax the arms. 6, 7, 8. Cool? Let's try that a little bit faster and let your hands have a little bit of something more expressive going on, okay? Dancer's choice. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try that with music. All right, the third step we're gonna do is 2 steps to each side. And it looks like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So breaking it down, same thing. Let your upper body relax. And with your feet, you're gonna go to the right 2 times and then to the left 2 times. So just keeping it very simple, and let's do the step for now. We go 2 to the right, 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 and then 2 to the left, left, left. So we open, close, open, close, open, close. A little bit faster. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. So now to add a little bit more sauce to this step, we're basically bringing our rock up and letting our torso breathe, okay? So it's just let your torso rock up, just let your armpits open, hands away from the torso, nothing crazy, and then rock it up. So we're gonna go 2 on each side. We're going 2, 2, ready, we go to the right, right, left, again, right, and left. Now, if you're just here for now, it's okay. You're already winning. Now, what you want to eventually build is to have a little bit more sauce, dimension, aesthetic, style to your dance. Here we go. We said 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music. Here we go. Okay, the 4th and last step we're gonna do today is a cross step, and it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So with the cross step, you're doing 2 steps and you cross 1 foot in front of the other. Focusing on the feet and where we're crossing, right foot goes stepping diagonal, left foot crosses in front. Then you open that left, cross right in front. So think of going open, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open, cross. Now, the same thing that we did in the other steps where we lift the heel as we shift weight, that's what's gonna happen here. So it happens on the second move or in the second count, okay? So if we're thinking of in going 1, 2, when we step out on 2 or the even number, the heel comes up. And the heel that's in the back, that's what comes up. So we open, now the back heel comes up. We open, the back heel comes up. Let's practice. Open, back heel comes up. Open, back heel comes up. Last one, back heel comes up, okay? So very similar in the front step, how your weight shifts a little bit forward, that's what happens in the cross step. Your weight shifts a little bit forward, okay? All right, so let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's practice relaxing the torso. 3, 4, 5, 6. One more 8 count, all of that together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music. All right, now that you learned all 4 steps, we're gonna put this together in a fun pattern. We're gonna put it in order. It's gonna go in from the front step first, and then the side step, stepping back, right? Then we go into the 2 steps to the side, and to the last step, which is the cross step. So we're gonna put those 4 steps together in that order, 1 8 count each, breathe for 1 8 count, or rest for 1 8 count, and do it one more time. We're gonna do this to practice, to drill these steps, and to feel confident in our body. All right, if you're enjoying this so far, I wanna invite you to my free online dance program. It goes a little bit more in depth than these YouTube videos, and the link to that is in the description box below. All right, now let's get to this pattern. Thank you for sticking to the end and leveling up your dance training with me. If you're serious about leveling up your hip hop dance, building the confidence you truly want, and want to work with me directly, click on the link below for a free consultation call. Love you.